Ready to rock? Have you ever wondered just how many cymbals do I really need? Sometimes I see drummers with so many cymbals, and some of them only use a few of what they have. So I asked the question, what is the minimum you can get away with? I've played an entire night with just a hi-hat. Seriously, just a hi-hat. I wanted to experiment and see how creative I could be. I love cymbals. I own a few different brands, like Zildjian, Paste, and Sabian. They're so expressive and dynamic. You can just lightly tap them on the bell or body. You can really hit them so they crash. You can make them sizzle, or play with them with mallets and have a nice crescendo, or hit them and then choke them. But how many do you actually need? Let's break it down. You need one hi-hat, one ride, one crash to start with. Maybe you could add another crash. Maybe a splash. That is my setup these days. It's the most versatile for me. For yourself, that will take some experimentation. At this point, the make is not important. It's what you feel you should have in order to play the style you want to play. Now, I have seen some drummers, like Terry Bozzio, who plays with so many cymbals, it looks like he raided a cymbal factory. Does he need them all? Yes, for his style of playing. He has about 30 or 40 cymbals, believe it or not. But take your time and start small. You will know pretty soon how many cymbals you need. Start with a hi-hat, ride cymbal, and crash cymbal, and take it from there. Hey, if you like this video, please subscribe and check out my other video, how to play a cool drum solo.